Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I'm super excited because we are in our family room and I am still taking down all of my Christmas decor. So I'm just showing you guys around here so you can see that the room is in a bit of disarray and the Christmas tree is there. It was absolutely gorgeous and we so enjoyed having this color scheme in our space this year because it was my first time using teal in here and I was really happy with it, but it's time for it all to go. So I'm just showing you a quick view around the space so you can see what we have to clean up, and then we'll go ahead and get started. Also guys, this video is a part of the Winter Hop Around the House series hosted by Nicole Northgarden. So be sure to check my description box down below for the link to Nicole's channel as well as the next video that you will hop to. You guys know in these hops what you'll do is after you're done watching my video, you'll go to the description box and click on the link that I have there where it says hop to the next video, and you will hop around each of our homes and see how we're all decorating and cleaning up our spaces after Christmas. Alrighty guys, you will get lots of ideas and inspiration, so I hope that you will enjoy this video, and I will chime in here or there to kind of let you guys know what I'm doing. So just enjoy. So here are a few items that I'll be using to decorate in this space. I have some pillows that I pulled out of my closet, a couple of beautiful white orchids, a few vases, and a throw blanket. Everything you see here are items that I already had. I wanted to create a fairly neutral color palette with just a little pop of color because I am still in love with this teal color. Also guys, I should mention that what I'm doing here is just wiping off the trim of this sofa with a damp cloth because there was a bit of glitter and dust, and the trim of the sofa is wood. So I just wanted to wipe everything off since I vacuumed to make sure I get all of the dust. So in case you're wondering what I'm doing here, I'm just dusting off the edge of the sofa. So now it's time to tackle this Christmas tree. So I'm starting by removing the skirt, and once I do that, then I am going to try a technique that I've never tried before. If you saw my previous video where I took down my Christmas trees in my living room, I used 55-gallon trash bags to cover those slim trees. This tree is not a slim tree, so I decided that I'm going to try to use this saran wrap, basically, or they're calling it stretch wrap, to wrap the tree up, as opposed to taking it down, taking all the ornaments off of it and taking it down and storing it traditionally. I have a new storage space in my home that I will be sharing with you guys probably in my next video, because I still have another Christmas tree to take down. But as you guys can see, this process was fairly easy, but I did have to get my husband to help because the tree was spinning as I tried to wrap it. So I needed him to hold it steady in place as I wrap around the tree. So as you can see, once I had help, this process was super easy, but it does require 2 people. So if I had to choose a preference between this method of wrapping the tree or the other method that I used by covering the tree with large clear bags, I have to say the first method was easier because it didn't require me to have any assistance. I just cut the bottoms of the bags open and slid them over the tree and just pulled it all down. I did it all by myself, no problems. So if you're by yourself, then that's probably the way to go. But because, again, this tree is not slim, it would have been difficult to get trash bags that would be large enough to fit around this tree. So we're doing the wrap method, and I'm excited to see how it preserves the tree for next year. When I'm ready to pull it out, it should be that I can unwrap it and just fluff everything up and go. So here's a look at the refreshed family room space, and I think it is so cozy and inviting. Guys, this is where we spend most of our time in our home, here in the family room. It's kind of our hangout spot, and so I absolutely love how this space came together. I do like that I did add in those coordinating lamps. I already had the 2 tabletop lamps, and then I got the taller lamp from my sister, which just so happened to match perfectly. So I'm really happy with how they came together and just how the space looks all together. So yeah, I want you guys to be sure to leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think about this space, and if you guys have a favorite space in your home where your family likes to congregate. So this is that space for us. We have other areas in our home that we do hang out, but pretty much if we are just lounging, then this is where we are. Now we're moving to the guest bathroom upstairs. I want to go ahead and remove all of the Christmas decor items that you all see here so that we can refresh this space as well. Also, I am going to basically keep this color palette with a little bit of teal and white, but just removing all of the Christmas pieces and keeping it fairly neutral and fresh. Okay guys, well here's a final look at our living room space. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. You know that helps me out tremendously. Also, be sure to leave me a comment to let me know what you think about our family room space and the guest bathroom and this neutral color palette that I'm going with for the season right now. Also guys, be sure to check my description box below so that you can hop over to the next video. Let that person know that I sent you over. Show them some love. And if you're new here from anyone else's channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button. And also be sure to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Also, let me say a huge thank you so much to Nicole Northgarden for hosting this hop. And I will see all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.